That was truly graceful and
my awesome colleagues, as I stand here, I feel a profound sense of gratitude. First of all, I thank God the Almighty for showing me this wonderful day. I am privileged to be a part of HCS family. Thank you everyone for the support, care concern, and the love I have received from you. Thank you so much for being there in the ups and downs of my life. Thank you, dear children, for preparing such a nice program. You made me feel so special today. I wish all the students a future filled with growth, joy, learning, and a lot of happiness. जैसा कि आपने गाना में बोला, उड़ान लिए हैं तो उड़ के दिखाना, ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचना और होली चाइल्ड स्कूल का, अपने माता पिता का, अपने टीचर्स का, सबका नाम रोशन करना और अपनी ज़िंदगी में भी एक दूसरे को प्यार और क्षमा देते हुए ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचना, सफलता को प्राप्त करना। एक होली चाइल्ड स्कूल में पढ़ते हुए बहुत सारे नैतिक मूल्यों को हम सीखते हैं, उनको अपनी ज़िंदगी में बच्चों शामिल रखना और सदा दिन दुनी रात चौगनी उन्नति करते जाओ और अपने माता पिता, अपने अध्यापकों, अपने स्कूल सभी का नाम रोशन करें। I leave this institution with a heart full of memories. बदल जाए अगर माली, बदल जाए अगर माली, चमन होता नहीं खाली। बदल जाए अगर माली, चमन होता नहीं खाली। बहारें फिर भी आती हैं, बहारें फिर भी आएंगी। तो फिर बच्चों व्यस्त रहें, मस्त रहें और सदा प्रफुल्लित रहें और अपनी दुआओं में I would like to end with these beautiful lines. When life is easy, thank God, and when life is tough, trust in God. Thank you.
We wish you a retirement filled with happiness, health and fulfillment. May your journey ahead be filled with the new adventures, relaxation and all the joy you have so richly experienced in your life. We express our admiration and our thanks for all that you have done during these past years. And you are always welcome to visit us at our school. Once again, on behalf of the management, staff and students, I thank you for your service and your profound contribution to our institution, and I wish you all the best.
It's of here in the morning light. In classrooms, your lessons echo with timeless grace, your kindness and compassion no one can replace. Now begins your chapter beyond the school embrace. May God bless you with gentle grace. Wish you good luck, ma'am, from the management, staff and students of Holy Child Senior Secondary School, Sonipat.